Hi, welcome to Plus Promotions. My name is Dylan. Today I'm going to be discussing the concept of indirect SEO. So when you start with us, golf tees in my pocket, so this is very comfortable. When you start with us, you'll give us, for example, if you give us 60 keywords, those 60 keywords will be based off of search terms that you're looking to target. We'll pick a geographical location, and those keywords then will be based on search volume in that geographical location and some of your preferences. Now, that does not necessarily mean that those are the only keywords that your site will start to rank for. Your site will indirectly start to rank for other keywords that are also relevant to the products that you are selling. Those keywords may not be tracked in terms of the reports that we're sending, but you will start to notice them with the inquiries. So some of them will have lower search volume, but will be more relevant to what you're trying to do. Some of them will be a bit longer tail in terms of the very specific searches. You will indirectly rank for those keywords. You will see return from those keywords. We will analyze and look at them over time, and possibly if there is a large amount of return on some of them, we will add them to the list. But the concept of not necessarily having to have every single keyword listed is something that is relevant, and it's something that people should know and should consider. I mean, you know, go after 60, go after as many as you possibly can, as many as you can think of. But just be sure in the knowledge that indirectly you will also start to rank for, I suppose, some more obscure search terms that people would be using to try to find a company like yourself and try to find a product and a really good website. So if you have any questions, please send me an email. It's info@pluspromotions.ie, or you can give me a call. My direct number is 085 804 1664. If you have any subjects that you want me to look at or cover, please send them into the comments section below. Thank you for watching.